the single best food in the world for healing and repair. Today we're diving into a topic that's as juicy as a perfectly grilled steak, healing and repair. And guess what? Red meat takes the crown as the ultimate superfood in this process. Now, don't get me wrong, other protein sources like eggs and salmon are all good for you. But when it comes to supporting healing, red meat is the champ. You see, during the healing and repair process, there's nothing quite as crucial as amino acids. And red meat, it's got them in spades. It's the ultimate amino acid powerhouse, even more than other protein sources. Red meat isn't just a protein punch. It's a nutrient-packed extravaganza. It's got more iron, magnesium, zinc, B vitamins, vitamin K, and omega-3 fatty acids than your humble eggs. It's the full package, my friends. And here's a secret tip. Make sure you get high-quality, grass-fed, grass-finished red meat. We're talking about the good stuff, not the processed meats from factory farms. Quality matters, people. Now, check this out. Red meat has not one, not two, but 4 special nutrients for healing, repair, and recovery. It's like a healing superhero. Fly like Superman. We've got carnitine, creatine, carnosine, and coenzyme Q10. These guys are essential to support your body's healing process. But hey, if red meat doesn't tickle your taste buds, don't worry. I got a little secret for you. Low stomach acid could be the culprit. Yes, I kid you not. If you struggle to digest red meat or find it unappetizing, it might mean your stomach acid needs a boost. And here's what you can do. Take 3 to 5 betaine hydrochloride supplements before a meal for about a month, along with apple cider vinegar. They can help strengthen your stomach acid. It's like giving your tummy a high five. High five, tummy! Ah yes, let's not forget about our friends with excess iron. Red meat might not be the one for you. Fear not. You can turn to other sources like poultry or eggs to satisfy your protein cravings and support your healing process. So there you have it, my fellow meat enthusiasts. Red meat, the champion of healing and repair. Remember, quality matters, amino acids are your friends, and keep that stomach acid healthy. Stay meaty, my friends, and happy healing.